If you love Korean street food, you have to try making these cheese dogs at home. Look at how stretchy and perfect this cheese pool turns out. Today we are making three different versions: a classic one rolled in sugar, a unique version with a homemade pineapple sauce, and a crunchy one coated with french fries. They are all incredibly easy to make. First, let's make the batter. Mix together 160 gram of flour, 30 gram of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Pour in 150 milliliter of warm water and stir with a spatula until it forms a thick sticky dough. Transfer it into a tall glass so it's easy to dip the skewers evenly. While the batter rests, let's make the pineapple sauce. Blend 1 cup of fresh pineapple cubes with a tiny splash of water until completely smooth, and then strain it so you get a silky texture. Next, mix half a teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water to make a slurry. Now pour the pineapple puree into a pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Then stir in the cornstarch slurry for 1 minute until it becomes thick and glossy. Now for the core of the recipe, cut a block of low moisture mozzarella cheese into thick sticks. Push the skewers right through the center. Coat the mozzarella stick in all-purpose flour first so the batter sticks well. Dip it completely into the tall glass of batter. Roll it in panko breadcrumbs. Fry both sides in hot oil until golden brown. As soon as you take it out of the oil, while it's still hot, roll it directly in powdered sugar. The warmth melts the sugar slightly, giving you that authentic sweet and savory taste. For the second version, take the fried cheese dog and drizzle our homemade pineapple sauce right over the top. It adds a really nice tangy flavor to the rich cheese. For the final version, dip the cheese stick in the batter, then roll it in chopped frozen french fries. To help the frozen fries stick to the batter perfectly, make sure to coat them with a little cornstarch first. Finish with panko breadcrumbs, fry until golden, and top with ketchup and mustard. All three cheese dogs are ready. Let's break one open so you can see the inside. And since I had a little extra batter left over, I fried small portion into these donut bites and dusted them with sugar. My toddler absolutely loved these. He ate the whole batch and asked me to make them again. They turned out so good. Let me know in the comments which version you want to try. See you in the next recipe.